Hey crafty people, in this video we're going to be talking about knitting abbreviation BEG, which stands for beginning. Beginning can come up in a number of ways. For instance, in the swatch, I would be asked to knit at the beginning and end 2 stitches. So BG at the beginning of the row, no matter which side. Or you might be asked to knit a certain amount of length from the beginning. So you would measure under your needle to the end, to the beginning of your swatch or piece of fabric. Let's say it's asking for 3 inches right there from the beginning. The most important thing to remember is what the abbreviation stands for, and then the instructions should make it pretty clear what it is referring to. So that is BEG, beginning.